Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to run through a bunch of charts here. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the home page and you can gain instant access for free to all of the member-only benefits, trade alerts, market education, daily precise watch lists, live market analysis with screen share and audio during certain times of the day, professional and open, honest chat room, and all you need to do is enter in your name and email address and you get instant 100% free access. No payment information is required at all. Okay, so let's get to these charts here. First, I'm going to cover the S&Ps. We broke below this support up here, so that had some bearish implications. As I mentioned in the last video I did, we broke below this 207 support right here, and now we're coming up to which is, in my opinion, what looks to be like the biggest support that I see nearby for the S&Ps right here at about 204. So I suspect we'll at least get some kind of a temporary bounce at the very least from this 204 level. As you can see, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles just right here that this 204 level was either the low of the day or the open of the day or the close of the day. So 204 definitely a key level. A bunch of candles trading in that range as well over here. So there's definitely some more support in this range as opposed to up here. Just comparing it, looking over here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles trading right here in that range. So that support is a fraction of the support that we see right here. So we're going to see a little bit of at least a tug of war, a pause at this 204 level. So that's going to be the level to watch for the S&Ps. We've got resistance at 207 and we've got support at 204. Okay, there are some levels in between there, but these are the major levels that are nearby for the S&Ps. Okay, next I'm going to be covering natural gas, UNG. If you watched the last video I did on UNG, I said that this would be a buying opportunity on a retest of, I made the video on this day after after Wednesday's trading session, and I said that a drop down to this trend line as well as a retest of this broken downtrend line right here would provide a nice bounce entry, and we got a perfect touch of that line and we bounced big from that level. So congratulations if you took that trade. Moving forward, I think that UNG continues to push higher. We had a nice bullish candle here. I wish the upper wick wasn't as long, but that's okay. We got some strong volume that came in as well on today. We had a volume pop on that day as well. So some bullish signs for natural gas moving forward. So we're over this trend line. We're over this trend line as well. It looks like natural gas is going to be heading higher. I would not want to be long natural gas if it loses the lows right here. So that's kind of what I would use as my stop, is a break below Thursday's lows. Okay. Next, I'm going to cover USO. USO and oil continues to look good for higher as long as we can maintain this uptrend that we've been in here and stay above about 1050. I do like oil for higher. Now looking at the chart here, we've got this downtrend line, few touches here, couple touches here, and then we broke over it right here, and then we're also over these lows over here, and we're also over these highs right here. So we had maybe about 7 candles that were acting as resistance over here, and now we are above that. Okay, so I think that oil continues higher. It's not going to go up in a straight line. I'm talking about longer term. It can come back down here, 1080 to 1050. I believe those will be buying opportunities. Again, if it breaks below 1050, I'm not really going to like it for a long. Okay. Next, I'm going to touch on gold. If you've been following along, I've been bullish on gold for a long time, and I'm just going to reiterate, if you're just coming to watch these videos now, why I'm bullish on gold. It's because we broke over this downtrend line, which is also part of this channel right here, and this was a channel, and this is the weekly chart here, and this is a channel that had been going on since the very beginning of 2013, and we broke out of it here in 2016. So for 3 years, this is a 3-year pattern that we were in on gold, and we broke out of it. Okay, we broke out of it just at the beginning of the year over here, and we've been heading higher ever since. And I do think that that push higher continues. Again, it's not going to be in a straight line, but this pattern right here is huge. Okay, this pattern is a 3-year pattern, and we broke out of it. Okay, so looking at the daily chart, if you watched the last video I did on gold, we were in a bull flag right here, and we did end up breaking out of that bull flag like I thought and mentioned that we would. We broke out of it on Thursday, and we continued higher on Friday as well. Now moving forward, we're going to come up to some resistance up here at about 125.50 from this previous high over here in January of 2015. Okay, so like I always say, it's not going to go straight up, it's not going to go straight down, so we're going to catch some resistance up here. This is my short-term target, 125.50, and I think that we can see some consolidation between here and here, between 125 and 120. So we can come up here and then get bounced back down to 120 and then continue higher after that, potentially. No predictions, just ideas of potentially what can happen. Next, I'm going to cover silver. I've covered silver many times before. The reason that I liked it for a long is a few weeks ago we broke out of this downtrend line right here. We've got this downtrend line that has several touches right here, and that matched up perfectly with this shorter term downtrend line. So these are some big patterns here that we're breaking out of. Same thing with gold. This is a 3-year downtrend line, and this is a downtrend line that's been going on for more than 5 years. Okay, so breaking over these levels has big implications, and I think that longer term silver is heading higher. And as you can see, we've got 3 really bullish weekly candles right here. Okay, we haven't really seen that in a while as well. So silver looks to be heading higher to me in the long run. Okay guys, thank you for stopping by. Again, if you're not already a member, visit the home page, start the free trial. It's 100% free for 7 days, and you can see all of the member benefits: trade alerts, education, watch list, live screen share and audio, professional and open, honest chat room. We'd love to have you. We'll see you over there.